Doctor Movie Summary in English. Let's begin. Varun, a military doctor working in the Indian Army Medical Corps, is a strict and practical person. While returning home from an operation, he receives a voicemail from his fiancée, Padmini, who urges him to call off their upcoming wedding. While inquiring about her sudden change of heart with her family, Padmini belittles him for being emotionally distant and apathetic. While leaving, Varun and Padmini's family learn that Chinnu, Padmini's niece, has gone missing. The family lodges a complaint with the police, which in turn appoints Bhagat, a low-ranking police officer, to monitor the family's communications. Disillusioned with the police's sluggish progress, Varun plots to kidnap the ACP's daughter, believing that the resulting investigation will be more competent. His plan works, and the police nab almost every major criminal related to child kidnapping. Varun singles out three criminals, Kamala Kannan, Kamesh, and Prathap, noticing that they were present around Chinnu's school at the time of her disappearance. Varun sedates them and interrogates them by blackmailing them with the kidneys that he had apparently removed. Kamala Kannan confesses to kidnapping Chinnu and handing her over to a child trafficking network. Varun recruits Pratap and two other gangsters, Mahali and Killi, to assist in his investigation. Varun's search leads him to twins Alvin and Melvin, both of whom are responsible for child trafficking and prostitution. Varun and Padmini's family confront the duo inside a Chennai metro train and succeed in separating the duo and abducting Alvin. Desperate to save Alvin, Melvin concedes to releasing only one girl from his group of kidnapped girls. Although Chinnu is among them, Varun demands Melvin release all the girls, despite Padmini's objections. Melvin refuses, but hints that the girls are being taken to Goa. Varun, Pratap, Mahali, Killi, and Padmini's family follow Melvin to Goa, where they discover that the true mastermind behind the recent kidnappings is Terry, the owner of a high-end resort. Varun orchestrates a drama, in which he has Mahali, Killi, and Padmini act as if the duo were kidnapping her, and simultaneously has Padmini's family urge Terry to find her. As per his plan, Terry traces Padmini's kidnapping down to Varun, who poses as a child trafficker masquerading as the owner of an ice cream parlor. Varun demands Terry to give him a girl, as compensation for saving Padmini. Unknown to Terry, Varun had arranged for his friend, Colonel James Anderson and his team of commandos to apprehend Terry. Terry escorts Varun to his base of operations, located on a remote island. Varun discovers that Terry's victims are primarily underage girls. Realizing that any action would endanger the kidnapped victims and Chinnu's lives, Varun calls off the operation despite James' protests. Determined to save the girls' lives, Varun initiates his backup plan. He negotiates a deal with Terry and Terry's father to ship a consignment of 40 girls to Don Pablo Elfino, a Brazilian child trafficking boss, actually Varun's father in disguise. Concurrently, Terry organizes a meeting with his associates to discuss the upcoming deal. Melvin is among those in attendance. Varun discreetly orders Melvin to kill Terry. The latter's attempt to do so is surprisingly thwarted by Varun himself, in order to gain Terry's trust. Terry interrogates Melvin, learning about Alvin's abduction and that Melvin's actions were purely out of desperation. Unwilling to reveal the identity of Alvin's abductor, Melvin is killed by Terry. Later, while going through the family profiles of the twins' latest kidnaps, Terry discovers Padmini's family is among them and deduces Varun's plan. Terry later has Varun and the family apprehended and takes them to his island, intending to kill them. However, Alvin appears, seeking revenge for Melvin's death. Alvin reveals he had abducted Terry's father and agrees to spare him, in return for letting Varun and the family, along with all the other girls, leave. After they leave, Alvin kills Terry's father to avenge Melvin's death, and Terry kills him in retribution. Elsewhere, Varun realizes that he has left a girl behind and returns to the island alone. Terry apprehends Varun and plans to kill the lone girl in front of him, but is thwarted by James's team and Bhagat, who had infiltrated his base. Varun escorts the girl to safety while James's team kills Terry and his henchmen. 3 months later, Padmini reconciles with Varun, and they marry in the presence of their family and friends.